Hey guys, I am filming for the Rec Leisure option video, so this is just something that you can do for fun in case you are wanting something to do, you're getting a little bored, and this is something really easy that can be done around this time of year. So we are going to be planting some different flowers, or you can do vegetables or fruits or whatever you have. So go ahead, I'm going to show you what things we're going to need, and you can pause this video to go get your things after you see. So you'll just need some dirt, some soil. You'll need some water, not very much, I've just got a cup here. A pot, or you can use a empty can, you can use a Tupperware container. Honestly, anything works. And some seeds. I have these flowers, but if you have vegetables or fruit or something else that you want to plant, that's totally fine. So go ahead and pause this video if you want to go ahead and get your things. All right, so now that you've got your stuff, I want to talk about as far as each group goes. So if your student is in the purple group, you can get a larger, kind of like wider bin or Tupperware container that maybe might be a little bit easier to put on their wheelchair tray, or something else that's just a little more at the tabletop level so they can reach it and they can help with. But if your student is in the black or white groups, then you guys can absolutely use a pot, a can, a smaller Tupperware container, or if you want to maybe work in the yard, you can take a shovel and dig parts of the flower bed up if you have one. With your family, don't just go dig holes in the yard. That would not be good. So let's go ahead and get started then. So I am going to take my pot or my container, and I'm going to fill it with some dirt, okay? You can use your hands, or if you don't want to get dirty, you can get another cup and scoop it out and pour it in. I'm just going to use my hands because I don't really care if I get dirty. I think it's a little more fun. So I've got a handful of dirt. I'm going to put it in our pot. I want it almost full, but with some room at the top still. I'll show you here in a second. Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay, so take a look. Got maybe a couple inches here at the top that I can use. Alright, so I've got my dirt in. Clean off my hands real quick. And then I'm going to go get my seeds. Like I said, some of your seeds you might need to put it deeper than others. I just need a little bit of dirt on top of mine. So I'm going to open up my box, which is why I'm putting it at the top. Okay. All right. I'm just going to sprinkle a few seeds at the top. Okay. Just a little bit. It's really windy outside. And then I'm going to put a little bit more dirt right on top from my bag here. Okay. And then, so I've got my dirt covering my seeds. And last, I am going to pour in some water all over the top. Just a little bit. Just to make all the dirt on top wet. Okay. A little bit more. There we go. Awesome. And go ahead and put it in a sunny place if that's what it needs, and watch it grow over the next couple days. Make sure to water it, and you guys can make guesses for how long you think that it's going to take for you to see a sprout coming up, those little green stems coming up like we've talked about before in science class. So go ahead and comment down below what plants you have planted and where, and if you've seen them grow at all. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.